Have you ever gotten a big raise, felt super excited, and then a few months later, you look at your bank account and wonder, where did all that extra money go? It feels like you're still broke, just at a higher income level. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Sneaky problem has a name: lifestyle inflation. So, what is it? Put simply, lifestyle inflation is when your spending increases as your income increases. You get a raise, and suddenly, you feel like you deserve to upgrade your life. It starts small. Your old phone works fine, but with that pay bump, suddenly the brand new model seems like a great idea. Then you start eating out at nicer restaurants more often, maybe swapping your basic streaming plan for the premium one. Before you know it, you've upgraded your apartment or your car. Here's the problem: all these little upgrades add up. Your expenses quietly rise to meet your new income and your savings rate. It either stays exactly the same, or even worse, it drops. You're making more money than ever before, but you're still living paycheck to paycheck, just with more expensive stuff. This is the hidden danger of lifestyle inflation. Creates the illusion of wealth without any of the actual financial security. Earning more doesn't automatically make you rich if you're spending it all. So why do we fall into this trap? A lot of it comes down to social pressure. We see our friends and colleagues upgrading their lives, and we feel like we need to keep up. There's also the reward mentality. We work hard, so we feel we deserve to treat ourselves. Often, it's just a lack of a solid financial plan. You don't consciously decide where that extra money should go, but there's a simple, powerful solution. It's a rule I call pay yourself first, second, when you get a raise. The very first thing you should do is increase your savings and investments. Decide on a percentage of your raise, 50% that will go directly into your savings, retirement fund, or investment account before you even see it. Then, you can enjoy the other half guilt-free. By increasing your savings rate first and your spending second, you maintain discipline. Remember, building real wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep. It's about controlling your spending habits, not letting your income control you. Start practicing this today, and you'll be on your way to true financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.